It's like 8 at night and my mom went somewhere, so I can't pack with her, so I'm just gonna figure it out. I'm just gonna do it myself. I'm super bored today, so watch me just pack. So I actually cut it off. Now it is super cute. I love this so much, and let's get back to bag. So I'm gonna get kind of like my how you call that? My long pants for the airplane flight.
Look at how empty it is. I better not be going out for tomorrow because I can't. I have no clothes for going out except a couple that I don't want to bring. Oh wait, this is nice. Why am I not wearing that? Oh, look, funny.
Alright, to those peeps out there who are packing just like me and are struggling, let me give you some tips. Tip number 1, make sure you have enough space for all your stuff. Just like how I'm conserving space, I think I'm conserving a bit too much or maybe too little because the tripod. Look at this, I have 6 stacks of clothes that have 4 clothes each. So it's like 6 times 4 equals 24. So I have 24 clothes can fit in here, so that is just perfect. Alrighty guys, so if you are packing underwear and socks, you don't want to put it in your luggage directly. You want to get like a pouch or something that you can put it all in so that it doesn't like move all over the place. And I have to find one of those because it's with my mom, but she's out, so she's gonna do when she gets back. So at the moment, because I am traveling in 2 days, so I still have some time, just gonna put it in first, but you make sure that you do it after, and that is it for packing my luggage.
Also, definitely don't forget to clip it out of, like, okay, you gotta clip it out like this, so to make sure that all the stuff don't line up, and you complete this. Alright, and just zip it.
And we're all set. Alright guys, so I've done with my suitcase. So now you would want a backpack, you know, when you go on the trip. You don't want it too small or too big. So this is the perfect size. I got this from Zara. Yeah, I love it. It's so fluffy. So you're gonna need some stuff. If you are not wearing a long sleeve shirt to the flight, you might want to just bring a jacket so you can just plop it in there. Have a nice backing. And second thing, you will need some sort of entertainment. I tell you, if you bring cards, it will just fly away. I've tried it before. And also, do remember to carry your bag at all times, because if you don't, your parents are gonna nag at you. And if you don't bring a bag, and you put stuff in your parents' bag, they're also gonna nag it. I suggest bringing a book or a phone or something, so let's just pop that in there. But I need this for school tomorrow, so let's put it there. And also, you also wanna, like, I'm saying also to my hands, you wanna bring a gadget, like maybe your phone, your iPad, your Kindle, whatever keeps you entertained will work. You will also need to bring some snacks. I know the airplane people provide you some, but they might not provide the ones that you like. So also remember to get your own, like maybe they won't have Pop-Tart, so bring a Pop-Tart. Why not? You can eat on the plane. But also remember, bring water there. Just bring your water bottle. So entertainment, my iPad and my headphones. So let's just put that in my bag. And so you do want to make sure you charge your iPad, or just bring like a portable charger so you can charge it in your hotel room. And also, they have no Wi-Fi on the airplane, so you have to either have your own data or you just play games that do not require Wi-Fi. Now I'm doing this through, like, my holiday is during school holidays, so you might want to just bring homework if there's any, but it was the last day, so I'm just praying that there is none. And yeah, so that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you found it helpful, please leave a like, thumbs up, and also packing struggles. Hope you enjoy your holiday or wherever you're going. See you in the next video. Bye! And I'll see you in Phuket too.